What is up, everybody? We are back with another video. As y'all can see, ain't no more puff puff, you know. It's a little sleek on fleek, you know. Curls for the girl, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Listen, so if y'all want to see how your girl got some inches, went from the bottom of the barrel. No, I'm just playing. If you want to see how I went from my puff to this luxurious hair, baby, keep on watching, okay? Your girl got the tea for you. The girl got the tea for you. The girl got the girls, got your curls or whatever, y'all. I'm excited, okay? Cause my man gonna be happy, you know what I'm saying? Like, he was happy already, but you know, listen, y'all, I play too much. But listen, if y'all wanna learn how, or you know, just watch me, or if you wanna learn how to get this, just keep on watching, okay? And before I start, this hair is from AliExpress, and I'm gonna give you an initial review on this hair. This hair is very soft, very soft. Listen, it's very soft, and it's soft, and you know, it's just nice. It's nice. I've had no tangles, you know, so far. But listen, I got 4 bundles, but I only got 3 in. 4 bundles and a closure for $162, and I had a $10 off coupon. Baby, you cannot miss that, okay? You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. Alright, and so I did actually bleach his hair just a little bit. I did a balayage a little bit, you know, got some color going on here, you know, just in random spots. I got some down at the end or whatever. So yeah, your girl did like a slick balayage or whatever, and it came out cute. So what I was about to say. So yes, and then my unit was made by the one and only, listen, I'm very happy now, okay? Made by the one and only SOOOOOO. Yes, she did that she did. You know, she made this unit for me. And so this is my birthday here, but I wanted to go ahead and get some, you know, content out for y'all, because I am in school and I got a lot of work to do. And then, you know, next week I'll be kind of busy with my birthday, but I'm gonna vlog a little bit. But anyways, I'm rambling. But she made my unit, and y'all, is flawless. So if you want her contact information, I will have it down in the description box below. But yes, ma'am. Okay, listen, if you want to get into this look, this beat, listen, if you want this, or if you just want to see your girl go from 0 to 100 real quick, then I suggest you keep on watching, y'all. It's the longest intro ever. But it's okay, because your girl is cute. Do you hear me in your hair today? And that's because I'm about to blow, wait, I already blow dried it some, because it still ain't, I didn't blow dry it all the way out. But I am about to braid my hair down, because I am about to put a wig on. done braiding. Y'all see I got these raggedy braids, but he's flat and I think they're gonna do what I need them to do. So in the meantime, I'm gonna slick down my edges. I'm just gonna rub that in there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I got tired on these two. Alright, so, yep. Yeah. So, along with that, yeah, I'm gonna take my handy dandy do-roll and I'm gonna just go in between. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Just drop some oil in between my scalp. Scalp be moisturized. And then I'm gonna slide my cap on. So I just got my hair pulled up in the back. So now I'm gonna get ready and start on my balayage. So, like I said, what a balayage is basically I will be highlighting the hair. And I just wanted to be subtle highlights. I don't want it to be anything over the top. Alright guys, so we got my aluminum foil. And what I'm gonna do to start off, in my little cup here, I'm going to mix this. First I'm gonna put some gloves on. First of all, get your hands. So now I'm going to open this balayage and I'm gonna pour it in this cup. I'm gonna open this and pour this here. Some of the hair paint and color it on the hair. Oh shoot. And I hate working with bleach. Just because it can be so messy. You want to get it nice and coat it, and you can fold it over like that as well. And I'm going to take some more. So yeah, it's going to look kind of messy, but you know, I'm just going to slide this foil up, and I'm going to make sure that all the bleach, the area where the hair is bleached, I'm just going to fold that together. Yeah, this is the ratchet version. See? It's okay though. Like I said, I only wanted the color in a few spots, and I'm getting bleach everywhere. Yeah.
Seeing yourself as
I would visualize right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and visualize.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this on. Alright. Okay. So I'm about to leave these little foil pieces on for about 30 minutes. And I'm gonna rinse it, and I'll be back once I'm done rinsing it. So I have started to curl and roll my hair because I'm gonna take it down in the morning, but I want to show y'all. So it's a little brassy, and I didn't have any purple shampoo, but you know, anyways, so but this is how I wanted the hair, like colored in random spots. So I'm about to just show y'all how I curl it and roll it. Just about to show y'all. Y'all see why I said to tease it and to kind of feather the color. Sorry, I'm watching a movie. But yeah, so I did cut it just a little bit and I laid it. But right now I'm just gonna put some curls in it and roll it.
She was actually female. I can go this thing alone, I can get my guys on. It's gonna cost you a lot of money. Money's not an issue, man. Find her. Alright, in the meantime, you need to get some help, brother.
Long time no see.
Hey, it has been a minute. How are you?
I'm okay. You know, just taking it one day at a time.
Come here. It's been hard. You know, I can't believe I.
Morning. Try it again. Yeah, I'm so sleepy because I didn't go to bed till like 2 this morning. You know? It's 6:45. Already kind of like feeling myself. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this mirror here in front of me, cause I need to cut my lace, and this is what I'm kind of scared about. So I was up kind of watching a couple of videos last night, and I'm gonna get this together, y'all, just, you know. But I was up watching a couple of videos on how to cut your lace off. And so I don't have any got-to-be glue. So I'm just gonna mold these baby hairs down with some Eco Styler. So I'm sorry if I'm sniffing. I sniff in the morning, you know, before I don't know, I always just sniff in the morning, so I'm sorry. That's gross. Yeah, I probably should go get some got-to-be, but they won't be till after work or after school today, because your girl got a long day today. Super long day. So, yeah, I'm struggling already because it don't know it. Like, I do my baby hairs, of course, y'all know that. But, let me see. This hair kind of weird. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna see. But in the meantime, I'm going to comb out my curls. Get y'all what I'm getting. Now I'm thinking because I haven't worn the middle part and it always takes me time to warm it to the middle part. So I'm thinking about switching it to a side part. So that's what I'm gonna do. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay some of my real edges, if I can, you know. Yeah, y'all gotta teach me how to do these. Cause I don't know, I'm a little scared. I don't know. Since I don't got no, since I don't have any got to be, I'm gonna put a little edge control. Y'all probably looking at this like she is really effing up. Y'all probably be looking at this like she is really messing up. Baby Lisa know that bang though. Girl, come on, curls. My natural curls try to peek through and stuff. Oh my God. What is you doing, people? What is you doing? Alright. Baby listen, who feeling themselves? It's me. Okay. 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 Alright, so what I'm gonna do is blend this a little bit more. So I'm gonna take some powder. Brushes and kind of get some powder or whatever, kind of see if that works. Alright y'all, so I think I got it how I want it to be. Listen, your girl is super hype, okay? Your girl is, listen. Hello everyone. Listen, your girl is back in the game, okay? Alright. Alright, so that's about as good as it's gonna get. So I hope y'all liked and enjoyed this, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all liked and enjoyed this or whatever. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I was thinking it was gonna be a little fail for a minute. Y'all let me know if this is a fail or this is, you know, I did this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I installed this unit, okay? But anywho, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank y'all for watching. So, make sure, before we end this video, make sure that you go and watch the videos. It'll be here, you know. Go watch the videos here. Go run your girl up some views. Go, you know, share with your folks. Whatever. But anywho, y'all. Bye.